Let's go. The fucking nation, no faking, no hesitation. It's money, I must be making. I'm coming out hard for all your business. They do the job. You niggas, shit gotta be in my form. You can't be missing. I'm telling you stories. That bitch ain't giving it no fucking glory. I'm telling the truth, and on my back is the living proof. Living the fast life, can't stand the fucking life. Go all up in my dope, shit, I'm a pimp. Bitch, I ain't gon' quit. I'm all about my business. This and I can't be having this. Your niggas try to play me wrong. I got my tongue, so bring it on. I guess you heard that hoe. Your new name is John Doe. Unidentified young black man who just got my pockets filled. These niggas, they talking shit behind the fucking door. These niggas, they counterfeit out of respect. No fucking more on the thing. They all the same. That damn is the fucking shine. They acting behind my mind. I'm throwing these clothes back. Lighting these hoes up. I'm popping them in the trunk. The niggas just got me drunk. They shit. I quick as fuck. Niggas is down forever. I mind. They all forever. And true to our cousin. Let's take these weapons. We all respect. These niggas might try to gang. I'm pulling off on the shine. Ain't no niggas gon' stop my plan for the future that I'm mistaken. So rest in peace, your niggas.
Oh no, guys, the bell has rung and the market is falling off to start the day. Man, SPY was getting up above $500 this morning, and to see it running down now the way that it is kind of shitty to start the day, right? I think a lot of people were hoping for a nice run up above resistance and then see some big movement up above there, but that is not what happened. SPY ended up hitting 500 and is now falling down slightly at open. Now, realistically, can this come back today and end up being green? 100%. It's actually right down to the high point of yesterday, so it's almost like it's bouncing on support. Whenever you actually look at it really, really closely, I'll draw some arrows to some of these levels here because, I mean, man, there were some good hits here over the past few days. So if we continue to see good movement like this, that will be fantastic. What's up, though, guys? Joe, Mason, Christian, David, Timothy, Paul, My Views, and Xbox. Let's get after it today. Here's my watch list on the left side of your screen. We got Coinbase leading the way, up 6%. I know this stock was hot yesterday, and it stayed hot today. It ended up breaking that high of day yesterday at 133. Blasted off in pre-market today. I don't know what exactly caused the pre-market blast off with these crypto stocks, but it definitely ran up in a crazy way. Let's see. No news on Coinbase on Thinkorswim, but then again, probably more of Bitcoin related. Let's go check in on that. Yeah, Bitcoin had a great night last night and early morning today. Like, holy crap. That was a good run up to 47,000 again. Not bad. Bitcoin's getting back to recent highs whenever we look on the chart. Starting to run up pretty well. Might have to keep your eyes on IBIT, some of those Bitcoin ETFs, but man, that SPY today, now it's bouncing right off that support. So if you're a dip buyer out there, honestly, the risk reward ratio is not too bad here. You could put a stop at like 498.40, or at least calculate that out on an option, and then or manually eye up an option and just close it when it gets to there. But that's usually what I do. I'm a big manual eyer. Yeah, ZOM today was on watch and pre-market, and man, it's breaking that high of yesterday, so keep it on watch here again at open. CVX was looking pretty good too. Oxy, not bad today by the oil stocks. ZOM's my favorite, I think, though, out of the three. If we zoom out on ZOM, there's a resistance coming up here, pretty close to like 105-ish. So we have to be really wary of that, but overall, great move. Oh, man. Crypto booming. Yeah, Mason, crypto was booming, man. BTC's almost up to highs. How do you guys like that? Do you like that, or does it make you sad? You only be sad if you missed out, right? All right, let's do a quick poll on the S&P 500. I think you guys will like this one. Make sure you all cast your votes. It'll be out in just a second. There's only 2 choices on this one, but it's a fun one. And hey, whenever you place your vote, also like up the stream. I appreciate you guys who like and join up every single day. You really, really help me out here. Really, really helpful. Got more lucid the other day. Averages at 530 now. Whoa. Whoa, Mason has some lucid. Oh man, 530 is a pretty good price. It's just they're just so low right now. 365. It's like, oh my gosh. It is having a great day, great recovery here though in the short term. Even Rivian today has a pretty good green day going. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm pretty sure Mike called out either Rivian or Lucid last night. I think it was Rivian. Yeah, it was Rivian, actually, so. That's looking good. Running up to around 1680 right now. Not bad on the movement there. Makes me wish I could figure out the passcoin to the Bitcoin wallet that came with my hardware wallet. Oh no, Xbox. Did you like forget a code? Because man, that would suck. Or forget your password for that? Oh no. I've heard of people forgetting or like losing the wallet and stuff, and then it has like millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin in it. Like, that would be so sad to have happen. Man, that would be brutal. Could you imagine that, guys? Imagine owning Bitcoins at like, let's say like $10 a coin, and then you like lost your wallet. However that works, you lost it. Oh, that would suck. The guy who bought a pizza? That's pretty funny. AMD starting to trade lower here at open. That's too bad. They had a little bit of a run there up to like 171.90. Kind of got into that resistance area from the past couple days where it rejected a couple times. And yeah, rejecting right back off. AMD has actually been showing weakness over the past few weeks. It's been very stuck. I would say this has been pretty weak here, all this price action I'm circling. Mainly weak, besides for 2 or 3 good days there. Oh, it's a bounty wallet. I don't know what that is, but interesting. Yeah, what is that? Hey, I like it, Oscar. 63 watching and only 10 likes. Let's up those numbers, guys. Love it, Oscar. Yeah, let's like it up, baby.
All right, all right, all right.
You know, Biden's gonna get mad at you.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. I'm looking to jump into Zom for calls. What did you mention for resistance? Yeah, it was right there. Short term, 104.90 to 105. Really is what I'm looking at there. On Zom. The good old Zom, we like to say. Yeah, 105 is a pretty big spot there, though. For sure. Big rejections over the past couple days right there. So all good in the hood. Yep, all good there. 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. Oh, that story, Mason. Man, whenever you said that, I was like, someone just bought it with Bitcoin. I'm like, that's kind of interesting, but now I see what you mean. Oh my gosh. Mason, that's disgusting. So I see what you mean. Like, they bought it when Bitcoin was really low and they could have made like a ton of money on it. Oh no. I forgot about that, man. There's a holiday May 22nd. Bitcoin Pizza Day. I'm gonna have to celebrate that day in the chat. That's funny, guys. I never knew that. Did you guys know that? Man, let me know. It's interesting. But yeah, Zom today. Decent run still. Gotta love that movement. Zom and the oil stocks. Come on, keep it up, Zom. How's Zoom today and Square? I was hoping they could start to pop back off a little bit. Zoom is sitting right on that trend line still on the long term. So I'm really hoping that Zoom could start to bounce up off of these lows here. Maybe we'll actually start to see other stocks recover up too. Possibly. And, you know, this isn't like a for sure, but maybe even PayPal. You know, it's having a green day today. Hopefully over the next few days, PayPal can get back and say earnings were nothing, right? A few stocks do that time and again. Obviously, don't buy it down here and just hold and hope that that happens. But I think waiting and just watching for that to happen is a smart way to go. If it starts to maybe break that earnings high, then maybe start to look at calls again. Anyone getting into Walmart's 3-to-1 split? Probably not. I mean, one thing to keep in mind, Mua, is if you do have a 3-to-1 split like that on something like Walmart, it doesn't change the valuation of the company at all. And that's one thing that people really like to jump on that idea of, I'm gonna get in on this split. And like, sure, you can buy today and then your shares can, you know, you'll get triple the shares at a cheaper price tomorrow or whenever the split is, right? Not necessarily tomorrow, but just whenever it is. And everyone thinks that that's going to be like, you know, a good trade or a good deal there. It's really not. It's the same thing as just buying it right now. It really is. Nothing changes about the company. Literally the only thing that changes is the share price and the amount of shares out on the market. So whenever I'm looking at a situation like this, just be very wary of these splits. Like, we could go over to Tesla's split. I want to show you guys something here. So Tesla, at least one of their splits, right? Here's the most recent split, but I'll show you the first one. So here's the first split. Tesla had a split on the 31st of August, 2020, it looks like. They ran up, they had some good hype with the split, and usually that's what I see. If there's a split, you can maybe see some hype into the actual split, but look what happened when the split actually happened. Tesla's stock actually had like 5 red days in a row and fell from 167 all the way down to 110. That's a pretty bad drop within a short time frame like that, down 34%. Now, Walmart will probably not fall that much, but let's go to the next split of Tesla, right? The next split. Again, split here at the 25th of August, 2022, right here where I'm circling. That split, you know, there was some hype into the split, and then honestly, just after the split, just a lot of downtrend. Now, is it necessarily the split's fault or anything as of why it downtrended? No, but it's just what I'm trying to say is these splits, everybody always wants to like buy shares or something right before, but they don't always just, you know, send the stock up, or they don't always get that movement that people are really hoping for there. And like I said, even if you get 3x the shares, the only time that would help you with Walmart here is if you were already in at a lower price. Like, let's say you were in at like 150. Now that's going to be a big difference. Because see, now you're getting 3x the shares and you're already like up however many percent from this point. So it's a little weird, but I hope that I explained it in a decent enough way there. For you, Mua. If you do like holding Walmart shares forever, then I think it's okay to get it. But I would definitely hold it for a long, long time. Oh my God, Mason posted up Bitcoin Day in the off-topic channel. That's funny, Mason. Bitcoin Pizza Day. Gengar says, I'm getting it. Monster Retailer. They're gonna get shares post-split. Okay, Gengar. Yeah, I mean, Walmart's a pretty solid company. Like, if you go out on a weekly chart, it's hard to pick a time not to buy Walmart, you know? Even during, like, the dot-com bubble and that crash, like, at least it was just flat, right? Like, you still could have gotten some divvies on them. I'm actually curious, what are their dividends? I'm gonna go look on FinViz. It's been a while since I've checked this one. 1.3%, so nothing crazy. I knew they weren't huge, but... Walmart's history has either been flat or up, though. It's been nothing really besides that. Maybe slight downtrends time and again, but every company has that. Pretty safe stock. One of my favorite stores to go to because it's so close to my house. Trust me when I'd say I'd rather go to other stores. But I don't feel like driving like 40 minutes sometimes to go to Costco or something. It sucks. Costco and Sam's Club are both like 40, 45 minutes from me. Papa John's holding it. That's funny, Mason. We're going to get the conspiracy theories going on Papa John's here, but... All right, getting into the big plays of the day. What are we looking at on the body bots? We know it's time. We know it's time here. SM bot, Microsoft calls. First thing I noticed here on the day. 417 recent high. If we could start to run above there, I think we could see a decent run, but it's the pre-market high, so probably a little bit of resistance there. PayPal calls are on the bot. There we go. PayPal coming back alive today. All right. All right, PayPal, come on. Get yourself back a little bit. I'd like to see it. Even Zoom's on the bot. Another one I was watching earlier. I really do like Zoom. I think that could be a pretty fire play here. How's Pfizer? Ah, consolidation at the top. Come on, Pfizer. You had that good push on Tuesday. Can we break this resistance here? 2770 and get some good runs coming back in. Might be a few days of consolidation before it breaks, but let's see how it plays out. How is Snow? Hey, Snowflake, 231. Let's go, guys. 231. It's going to be time to close this sucker here. I already TP'd half, but I'm gonna have to close this one today at some point. If you've been following the Snowflake play, definitely look to take profits here. If you have not done so yet. We talked about this one yesterday, and today it got up to that 230 level. Let's go. Great job, Snowflake. I don't know, guys. You know, Snowflake's daily chart kind of turns me on a little bit. I'm not going to lie. The daily chart kind of gets me going. That was a fantastic recovery there on that dip. And what a move, Snow. 232.67. We've been following this setup for a couple weeks now. Hope you guys really like this one. Who's still in this one? Come on, give me a shout out there. Who's still in there? All right, Tesla bouncing up off support. 180, huge bounce here. I can't let them go, Xbox. I can't let Tesla be ignored, right? 193.55. Oh man, it broke out above the recent high at like 191.70, but now it got right into recent resistance again at 193, 194. You see that big hit there with that candle? Gonna have to watch out for that to be a chop area today. It's literally like right there, so we'll know soon. We should know soon. Yeah, Costco is a gold mine, Mason. Especially the stock. I mean, holy shit. Look at this stock. Costco is nuts. All right, Pinterest, how you doing? Falling off the face of the earth with those earnings last night. Pinterest and Affirm were just not doing too hot. At least Affirm's trying to come back, but man, Pinterest, that was a brutal drop by them. Too bad, it was pretty much useless there. Oh man, the girlfriend is great out here bringing me the tea today. Shout out to her. Let's go Nvidia, David said. NVDA. Yeah, popping off. There we go. Breaking recent high. Oh, nope. Not quite, but very, very close to recent highs. And whenever you zoom out on a 5-minute chart, Nvidia has been kind of stuck down here for a little while, so maybe we can get that good push up. SPY still under 500 in a big way. I'm going to have to put an alert there, I think. Gonna have to make that an alert. All right, Nvidia. Maybe if Nvidia and a few of these big tech stocks can start running here, we can start to see that SPY break back to the upside more. Man, that's awesome, Xbox. Man, yeah, Mike is awesome, man. Yeah, Mike's a great guy. I'm really glad to be doing this with Mike for as long as we've been doing it. That's awesome, though, man. Make sure, Xbox, make sure you email him back and tell him that you want a nice Ruth's Chris steak. I don't think that's a joke. That's funny. That's funny, Mason. You got me laughing out there now. All right. Maybe he just hasn't gotten around to it. Yeah, it's on the list, Mason. He'll do it at the meeting this weekend. Viri says I'm not late. Yes, you are, Viri. No, I'm kidding. Hope you're having a good day, though, Viri. How's that weather by you? You getting any golf in yet? I hit the range up yesterday. I have a terrible blister, but I gotta wrap it up. Gotta wrap it up like crazy. Boeing support at 209 to 210, not bad. Citigroup, wish that they would start to bounce back. They've been kind of very flat the past couple weeks. Those banks were doing great. Now they just lost that mojo, lost that momentum, right? A lot of consolidation, though. I'm really looking for them to get out of this recent dip with some bullishness back up, but we got to really start to see that good movement back to signify that we're starting a good trend again. Because so far, it's just been a solid staircase up on Citigroup's daily chart. You see like little dips, it's like staircase to staircase, staircase, staircase. Will this one be a big staircase? That's the question. Looking like some good potential coming in. What do you think of Tesla movement today, Joe said? You know, I thought it's been actually really good today for what Tesla's been having.